In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a stop loss and take profit order using Robinhood on your browser. If you're new to trading or just want to better manage your risk and lock in your gains, understanding how to use these tools can make a big difference in your investing journey. So let's get started by logging into your Robinhood account on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on a secure internet connection before entering your credentials to ensure your account's safety. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, you'll want to head over to the search bar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in. Once you see it in the results, click on the stock to open its detailed page. Once you're on the stocks page, click the Trade button. Here's where you can choose to either buy or sell, depending on your existing position. If you currently hold shares and want to protect your investment, you might consider setting a stop loss order. To do this, select Sell from the trade options. Now, let's set up that stop loss. Look for the order type drop-down, usually found right below the amount and price fields. Click on Order Type, and you'll see several different types of orders. Choose Stop Loss from the list. In the Stop Price field, enter the price at which you want your shares to be sold if the market price drops to this level. The idea is to limit your potential losses by automatically triggering a sale when the stock falls to or below your set price. Once you've filled in your stop price, take a moment to double check this figure. After it looks correct, click Review to see a summary of your order. If everything checks out, click Submit to place your stop loss order. Now let's talk about taking profits. If you have an idea of the price at which you'd like to sell your shares to lock in a gain, you'll want to set a limit sell order. In Robinhood, take profit is essentially the same as setting a limit order to sell once your stock reaches a specific price. Once again, open the order type menu and this time select Limit Order. Enter the price at which you'd like to sell your shares. This ensures your shares will only be sold at your target price or higher, so you don't miss out on potential profits if the stock price quickly rises. Before submitting, always review your order details one more time to avoid any mistakes, then hit Submit when you're ready. That's it. With these steps, you've now learned how to set both stop loss and take profit orders on Robinhood through your browser. Using these order types can really help you manage risk and maximize your returns. Thanks so much for watching and happy investing.